In our first news today, Earth Energy EV has launched 2 electric bikes in India. The 2 variants are EvolveZ and EvolveR. EvolveZ has a range of 100 km on a single charge and the top speed is 95 km per hour. The motor power is 5.3 kW and the battery capacity is 95 ampere lithium-ion. And this bike can be 80% charged in 40 minutes. Whereas the on-road price of EvolveZ is 1.3 lakh rupees. And the second variant, EvolveR, has a range of 100 km on a single charge and the top speed is 110 km per hour and the motor has a peak power of 12.5 kW, whereas the battery capacity is 115 ampere lithium-ion. And this bike also 80% charge in 40 minutes, whereas the on-road price is 1.42 lakh rupees. Initially, these bikes are available in Maharashtra, later to expand in Karnataka and Gujarat, and the pre-bookings will start from February, whereas the deliveries to start from June. In our second news today, Tamil Nadu-based Srivaru Motors has launched its first electric bike, Prana, in the market. The company launched 2 electric bike variants, Prana Grand and Prana Elite. Both these electric bikes can run with a top speed of 123 km per hour, whereas the Grand variant can give 126 km of range on a full charge with 4.3 kWh battery pack. The other variant, Prana Elite, can give 225 km of range on a full charge with 7.2 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Both these bikes can accelerate from 0 to 60 km per hour in 4 seconds. The price of Prana Grand is 2 lakh rupees, whereas the Prana Elite price is 3 lakh rupees. In our third news today, IIT Madras incubated startup Grinntech has started lithium-ion battery manufacturing unit in India. This manufacturing unit is located at Ambattur Industrial Estate, Chennai. This 1-acre manufacturing unit can produce 400 megawatt-hour batteries per year. These batteries are suitable for 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers. Last year, Grinntech has signed an MOU with Tamil Nadu government. Go green, go electric.